Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday.
Hello, welcome to the Cherish Coaching Co. I'm Miranda and I help new businesses and life coaches with content creation and life coaching tips. All right, so welcome to my channel. I can't wait to get started today. Today we're going to be talking about YouTube thumbnails, talking all about them. I'm going to talk about where you can get some templates for some. I'm going to talk about how you actually upload a YouTube thumbnail to your videos, why you need to upload one to your videos, and also sharing my #1 tip when it comes to getting your thumbnails off Canva, okay, that you need to know in order to pop them onto YouTube. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, why do you want a YouTube thumbnail? What even is a YouTube thumbnail? Well, a thumbnail is literally like the cover of your YouTube video. Okay, so the video has a thumbnail on it, which basically says, this is what the video is. It's just like on Instagram or lots of different areas, lots of different spaces where you can actually put a cover on something that says, look at this, click on me. I want to find out what's on this video. Okay, I've found that the best thumbnails actually, the best thumbnails work. Let's just start that again. Okay, I found that the best working thumbnails actually have a face on them. So for me, they have my face on them. All of my thumbnails, you can look down my YouTube channel because you're clearly watching it. Okay, if you're not, go to my YouTube channel. All right, and check out all my thumbnails there. Look up some different people, not just me. Okay, the Cherish Coaching Co is my new little YouTube channel that I've just started. All right, my other ones at the Cherish, it's called the Cherish Educator. No, it's called Miranda Hodge and Parenting. Okay, because that's what I am. I'm a parent coach, but I also know lots and lots and lots about content after doing that online for lots of years. So this is what I'm sharing here at the Cherish Coaching Co. Anyway, YouTube thumbnails. All right, how do we, for starters, I'm going to share some of the templates, and then you can see, because that's part of me sharing that really, really, really important tip. All right, first of all, this is my super, super basic YouTube template pack. Okay, YouTube thumbnail template pack. All right, so you can access this from my Etsy shop, which is at the link in my banner or in the description below. Anyway, so this is super cheap. It's like $2 or $2.50 or something. Okay, to get these for, you can change them however you want. All right, you can change the font, you can make them your brand colors, all that sort of thing. That's the other thing that I was going to share before. Having your brand colors actually all, having your brand colors on the thumbnails actually makes them more cohesive, and it makes you present a more professional brand. All right, take it from someone who knows. Okay, mine are much more professional on this channel. They have gotten much more professional on my original channel, but when I started, I had no idea about this sort of stuff, which is why I'm sharing it now. So basically, here's what we've got going on here. Okay, the next thing that I need to tell you, so the very, very, very important tip before I show you how to upload it to YouTube, when you download these or whichever templates, if you've made your own YouTube templates in Canva, that's completely fine. Then just use them. You need to make sure, or I've always found that you need to make sure you download them as a JPEG. Okay, extremely important tip, because YouTube will never upload my PNG ones. I have to make sure they're downloaded as a JPEG and saved as a JPEG, because I suppose because it's not such a big image, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's just the tip. When you download whichever one you're going to download, or all of them, whatever, okay, to put on YouTube, whether you create your own or use templates, mine or someone else's, then you need to make sure you download it as a JPEG. That is my huge, huge, huge tip before we even get started. All right, now on to the meat of the video, on to the bit that we actually really, really, really want to know. Okay, apart from what I just said, because that's quite important as well. Here we go. This is my new little channel that you are watching at the moment, my new little baby content channel. Okay, I'll just see if this will refresh for me. Okay, so here we go. This is what we've got here. Again, you can see I've just got a few views because this is a new channel. I've only started in the last 4 or 5 months. Okay, and I have really not been that consistent with it. Okay, but that's okay. You have to build. Anyway, I'm getting my strategy going. So how do you actually upload a thumbnail? So you've got your saved thumbnail on your desktop or wherever you save it. Okay, you need to make sure you're in your YouTube studio. Okay, here's me. You can see that's what I'm doing. You'll go to content and you'll see just what I'm seeing here. Okay, you need to make sure that you go to the little pencil there. You click on the pencil. Okay, I'll just make sure that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Now I've already got my beautiful thumbnail on here. Okay, so that's quite easy. But what you want to be doing is down here, you can see the thumbnail area. It'll have add thumbnail just there, and you literally click it and it'll take you to a browser to upload your thumbnail. That is it. Okay, you need to make sure that you click save at the top. I'm not sure if you can see that just this moment. There we go. You need to click save at the top. Okay, so that it's saved, because I've done it before and then gone, what's happened to my thumbnail? You know, six minutes later. So there you go. That's how you create a thumbnail, how you download one, and how you actually add one to your YouTube videos. Now, again, thumbnails they might sound superficial and they might sound like something you don't really need. They are super, super useful. If you look at any of the big YouTube channels, most of the time they have got thumbnails on them, and it just means that people can see who it is, especially if they've followed you across from Instagram or across from somewhere else, and they want to look at your YouTube channel and they're looking for it and they have to sort of go, scroll around. If your face is big on one side of the YouTube thumbnail, then they're going to be going, oh yeah, great, boom, I know who that is. And then you've got a viewer straight away who actually wants to watch your content, and that is gold. Okay, so there you go. That's how to upload a YouTube thumbnail. If you want to access those very, very cheap, very, very simple, already pretty much made for you Canva templates, okay, that you can just tweak to your own brand, look below in the description below. Okay, my Etsy shop link is there, and it's also up in the banner at the top there. If you're looking for content coaching, or you're looking for someone to help you get this sort of stuff set up, okay, I could be that person. I offer very small packages because I'm someone who knows what it's like to be starting your own online business and to not have thousands of dollars to input into it. All right, so I'm happy to take those smaller clients. Okay, anyway, I'm Miranda from the Cherish Coaching Co. I hope you guys have learned something today. Please drop something below. Have you got a tip? Have you got a YouTube tip? Have you got something that you'd love to share? Have you got a comment? Okay, subscribe if you want to, because I'm just going to be sharing more content on this platform. All right, don't forget to check me out at the Cherish Educator if you're a parent. Okay, and otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. See ya.